Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get your desktop app backup like we did Android. You have an Android app and you want to give to your friend like by using share me, or there are lots of software like Xender, and we can do the same thing with your PC or laptop. So you don't need to any third-party software or apps. You have to just go to your file manager and you need a pen drive. Okay, so you just need a pen drive or a like Google Drive account, or some other account like Dropbox. Okay, so I'm going to go to firstly I'm going to go to local disk, and you have here two options: program files and program files x86. So this is for 32-bit operate system. Like the apps is built for 32-bit, the app data will be stored on it. And if your app is machine is 64-bit, you have to go to program file, and here you have to go to Adobe. Okay, so why I'm going to Adobe? Because I'm going to take backup Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so this software is made by Adobe, so that's why I'm going to Adobe folder. So here you have two Illustrator. Actually, I have two Illustrator. One is 22 and another one is 2020. Okay. So you have to just click on it and you have to copy it. Okay, so you have to copy it, and here you have to go to your USB drive, and I already did it, so that's why it's showing. If I paste it here, like it will be ask me to overwrite. Okay, in some case it will be ask me overwrite. I'm going to cancel it because I'm not going to do the process. So I just get backup the app, and after getting backup to your pen drive, and this pen drive you have to insert to your new laptop or new desktop. Okay, and you have to paste it to like Adobe folder. You have to create a Adobe folder in program file. So what is program file? So this is program file, and you have to create a folder that is called Adobe. Okay, and you have to create manually folder Adobe. So after creating this, you have to paste it here. So if you paste it here, your app you don't need to install manually. Okay, so it will be automatically installed to your PC. Okay, so after doing this, you will not find any like you can go to your search option, and if you search your app by app name, it will not be shown. So what you have to do, you have to go to Adobe Illustrator, and here you have to right click on it, and first you have to go to make it here it is showing unpin from start, but you have to click on pin to start, and then you have to go to show more properties, and here you have to click like unpin from taskbar. Here it is showing, so you have to click here. You will shown that pin to taskbar. So if I click on pin to taskbar, your app will be like in this tray. Okay, so app will be in this tray. This is called taskbar. So this was the simple process. I hope you like the process. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.